Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to send bulk messages on WhatsApp in 2025 step by step using the WhatsApp's built-in broadcast feature, and for this particular purpose there is no any other third-party application needed. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp mobile application, and then you need to make sure that you are using the updated and the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Now you need to go to the chats tab over here, then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see a bunch of different options like new group, new community and new broadcast. So we want to create a broadcast, so simply tap on the new broadcast option. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see all of the contacts that are available on your phone. So among these contacts, you will have to select that particular contacts or the list of the contacts whom you want to send the bulk messages to, and here in one broadcast you can add 256 people, and you need to make sure that the minimum people needed are 2 for this broadcast. So after selecting those 2 people or the number of people over here, you need to tap on the check icon, and there you go, you have successfully created your broadcast. Now whichever message you are going to send here in this broadcast will be automatically sent to all of the members over here, whether it is a text, images, videos or documents. So you can write anything over here and all of the recipients are going to get it individually like their personal message. So once it is created, the broadcast list stays saved in your chats tab, and you can reuse it anytime to send the future bulk messages. So tap on it and you can type right next to it and update it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.